So I'm checking my termite bait traps today, and I want to show you what I found in this one. These bait traps, you just dig a hole into the ground. They actually look like this. Very easy to use, very easy to install, and they protect your home. So let's take a look at what I found in this one. So this is one that I had previously been hit, and I put in one of these containers. And as you can see, this one's been hit pretty hard. So I'm gonna replace this and put in another one. I highly recommend both of these products. This is the replacement bait for the bait traps. And this isn't bait, this is actual poison. And then on top of that, I back it up with these premise granules. You can get both of them, I think on Amazon, or I have it on DIYpestcontrol.com. But we live in a high moisture environment, and termites are a part of life down here in Houston. And if you're not protecting your house from them, it is just a matter of time.